a quick update for you. Remember that I told you I was thinking to going back to Japan for December. I think it was a great timing because it is my birthday and maybe spending holidays there will be amazing. Well, I was saving money for that and I was super excited until I had to pay my taxes. So then I had to pay for my retirement and whatever social contribution the government decides that worth half of my salary every month. So I had to do that and I made my numbers, and of course I don't think I'm going to make it. And I was a little bit sad actually. I had this plan and this dream, but now I don't think it's going to be possible. So I was kind of sad actually because I was thinking that I cannot wait anymore to be there again. So then I remember I was craving for some Japanese food, and then I remember that before leaving Italy for the summer, I made a box with some of the Japanese products that I bought in I'm doing laundry, so it's my my washing machine that sounds like this. Don't worry, it's nothing serious. Just hold a second. Well, I have to turn it off. Because it was super noisy. It looks like it's going to take off or something. Well, I was telling you that that I hide some things so nobody will eat them, and I put it in my cellar that is in the basement of my building. So it's pretty dark and cold, and I was they were saved. All of my Japanese treats were safe. So I went there now because I wanted to eat something nice, and then look what I found. I mean, I didn't remember that I had so many things. I don't know how I packed this. I don't remember my suitcases being heavy like this, but it's way too much. So I think that I can hold a little bit until Blossom maybe. You can help me planning my next trip to Japan, but I have to finish all that box of Japanese products. So I think I'm going to have fun and spend my birthday in Italy, but with you in my heart, eating all these big box of amazing things. So please stay tuned on the videos because I have to try them all with you. And of course, I'm going to become a professional Japanese snacker with all of this. What do you think? So stay tuned and see you soon. At least the sad feeling of not being able to travel in this December, it's a little bit relieved because I still have Japan next to me, close to me, a lot of it. And I'm going to be enjoying all of that with you. At least on a video. So thank you for all your support, and of course let me know what you want to watch or what I will put a list of the things that I have in here, so maybe you can start voting what should I eat first or the order, and stay tuned for that. Thank you and see you soon.